Hi, welcome back to a new edition of Terry's Tips. We're going to keep building on the spring cleaning theme that we posted last month regarding the system flush. The next important part that we want to talk about is filter cleaning. Filter is a very, very important part of your hot tub. It's what removes all the things that we add to it or fall from the sky or our kids leave in the hot tub. So removing your filter and cleaning it is a very, very smart thing to do when you're trying to get longevity out of your filters, as well as keep them able to take on more things that are in your hot tub water. We have a few products that can help you with that. A filter cleaning solution that you soak the filter in. We also have a spray and rinse one for a nice quick job. And we also have an accessory here that you can hook onto your hose, which will help get inside of the pleats. Now there are some filters that can be cleaned and there are some that can't. So we're going to talk about all that today and show you the best way to clean your filter. Here we have examples of 3 filters that are microfiber, so they cannot be cleaned. This is for a Sundance 780 series, this is for a Sundance 880 series, and this filter can be used on an Arctic, a Coleman, Jacuzzi, Sundance, all in the entry level. So these filters, just based off of their makeup, that microfiber material is not going to be able to be cleaned by any of our filter cleaning products. So if you have these filters as one or your only filter, these are ones that will be discarded after use and cannot be cleaned. Now we're going to talk about the pleated filters that you can clean and show you how to get started cleaning them. So we have a few filters over here for our a lot of the spas that we carry. This being a Sundance filter, this being a 2-pack of our Jacuzzi 300 series filters. And then I actually have a dirty filter right here, which is used on entry-level Sundance, entry-level Jacuzzi, and Arctic spas, and Coleman spas. So it's a very, it's widely used in a lot of different brands. So in front of us here we have a Jacuzzi filter cleaner product, which is a soaking product. What you do is you find a receptacle that's big enough to house your filters. For instance, a 5-gallon bucket can be used for this filter. These filters being a little bit bigger would be better suited in a larger container. You can certainly put them in the container and put a little weight on them so that they continue to be submerged. But first things first, you're going to pour in your filter cleaner to whatever receptacle you're using. Depending on how dirty your filter is or how many filters you're using, I would say for a filter like this, you want to use 1/4 to half the bottle and then dilute the rest with hot water. So this one would be going in here. We're going to put in the filter cleaner itself. And then what we'll do is you take a regular hose water and you fill that up so that it's completely submerged. Okay, so you can see here we have a few different receptacles, a sample of a filter that's been cleaned, probably as much as it's going to be cleaned, and we have a filter right here soaking. So if your filter starts to look gray or the pleats are coming apart, that's a sign that it's been cleaned and used too much, and it's probably on its last legs. So if this were my filter, I would probably, head to the trash with it or keep it for just a fill up if I needed it, if I was on well water or something like that. But as far as this filter is, it's soaking in a 5-gallon bucket. We would soak this overnight, and then if you have another receptacle or a sink in your garage or mechanical room, you can take that filter out, set it in there, and we have a product. It's called Filter Flosser. Okay, so it really helps to get inside the pleats. You can hook it up to your hose. It's got a little 90-degree shutoff. When I turn the water on, it's going to come out of all these smaller jets, and that's going to allow me to run that over the filter and get inside those pleats better than if I were to just wash it off with a regular hose. And to remove all that stuff that's on the inside of these pleated filters, which again is going to make your filter able to take on more stuff, make it last longer, and it's just a good process to do when dealing with your hot tub filters. Some folks will have an extra set so that they change their filter out every 4 months. They clean and store their old filter and get on a pattern of swapping those out every 4 months. Regardless of what you decide to do, cleaning your filters with Jacuzzi Filter Cleaner and using the Filter Flosser is going to extend the life of your filter and give you better water in your spa.